What up, YouTube? Welcome back. Today, we're just chilling again. Once again, I just took me a little hike, a little walk in nature. And now we're about to fire up the good old trusty. I should probably yap for a little bit, but, I don't know what to say. Maybe we can look at the lip balm of the day, which is an interesting name, Waffle Party. Yep, I don't know, I'm smoking Severance, I guess, but it's a cross between Super Boof and Pink Sugar. So, it's smacking. Very, very flavorful, fruity type of vibe. Damn. There we go. I've taken a couple hits at it, but looks beautiful still. Let's go ahead and pack us one. And the camera was out of focus a little bit there. But man, yeah, I'm kind of tired. This rain that's been going on. I don't know if it's raining where y'all live at, but man, I've never seen so much rain in forever. It's crazy. Trusty little metal thingy. Bam. Applied. So easy to lose this little thing, though. Can't be doing that. Can't be doing that. That is some good lip balm, boy. Boy, that's some good lip balm, if I ever smelt some. Bam. It's been like 2 minutes, and fuck it. I'm just gonna go ahead and start it, y'all. I'm gonna give that a red kind of vibe. It looks so crispy on camera. It's so cool looking. This light, I can just sit here and look at this stupid light. Cheers. Alright, wait. While it melts. Oh shit. While it melts, stay hydrated. Oh, unprepared. Cheers. I can't really do no smoke tricks. I'm trying. Ooh, this is tasting a little burnt for some reason. Ooh. Ooh, why did that taste kind of... Ooh. It tastes kind of warm. And yeah, I just did a little reheat there, just so I could get the most out of my material. Bam. That's what you call I don't know. I'm honestly like, I swear this rain has got me brain fogged. Let me know if anyone else feels like that, but man, too much rain, I'm starting to feel like I'm just like kind of sleepy all the time, man. Rain's too damn relaxing. But shoot, I think I might go ahead and end it there. I hope y'all enjoyed this quick little CGI Uber sesh, you feel me? And I hope you took a hit along with me. All right. Bye.